Okay, boys and girls, we're going to draw our two dots. Then put your finger in the middle of those two dots, and then that's about the width that it should be. And then draw two lines. On the other side, we're going to be draw our basic box that we did a couple times last week. Okay, then you're going to draw your middle line going straight down. Then this line is going to be a little bit curved in for our treasure chest. So see how it's a little curved down, so make sure you do that. Then we're looking at our parallel lines. You want to make sure these lines are parallel to each other. Remember, if it doesn't come all the way up, you're just going to draw that line to meet down here. This line's going to come here, making sure these two lines are parallel. You really want to be looking for that. And now I'm just kind of connecting, making sure that these lines are parallel to each other. Now I'm going to draw a line coming up. This is going to be part of our treasure chest. And then another line that's parallel to that coming up. This line we're drawing right here just to make sure we have a parallel line here and a parallel line here. These two lines need to be parallel to each other. Okay, so these are like my extra lines I can get rid of later. Now we're going to be drawing a circle around here. You don't want it to be too far out, but you can kind of adjust it later. And then you're going to be drawing, this is your northwest line, so you're going to be drawing a line that kind of starts here, but it needs to be parallel to this line. So this line's kind of tricky. You don't want it to go too far up like this. You want it to be parallel. So that just takes some sketching and thinking about that line. So go ahead and sketch that line. Okay, then you're going to draw the inner part of the treasure chest because that's the part that you see on the inside of the top of the lid. Okay, and we're going to shade, or this is our darkest place of the treasure chest. You also are going to want to draw your light source. Let's kind of get in the habit of doing that. So if you think about this, there's no light at all shining on the inside. So it's going to be really, really dark. But it does kind of begin to lighten up as it gets farther down, just a little bit. There's also like some darkness on the sides and insides here. So just continue shading a little bit. Mine's really messy. You might want to use also your finger to kind of blend it a little bit. Really making sure that that's really, really dark right there. Okay, then you're going to be drawing a line on the inside of the box, drawing that line down. And then you're going to shade underneath there because that's really dark and deep underneath. So you can shade right there and then just kind of bring it up a little bit. Okay, we're just going to do a neutral shade. I probably like a 2. On the value bar, you can also kind of blend it in with your finger as well. I can't blend with this pencil, otherwise I would. Then you're going to want to draw your shadow. Make it the darkest value that you have. I'm going to use this dark pen just to show you that that's the darkest value that you want. I'll also go back in a second and do the darkest parts like right here. But also you might also want to kind of blend it so it kind of starts really dark and then it lightens up at like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to draw some embellishments. So this is a treasure chest, or it could be like a trunk, like that you would find in an attic. So I'm going to draw these little studs and then the little clasps that hold it together. Here I'm going to draw the decoration of the chest, and then you want to also make sure that it's the same angle, the same parallel line as you have here and here. So you want to make that, it kind of goes like that. Then I'm going to draw a little handle right there. And then I'm going to do some more decorations, the little studs on the side. And here you have the basic trunk, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with my black pen and I'm just going to go over the pencil lines that I want to keep and kind of ignore the ones I don't, and then I'll go back and erase. So I'm going to outline, go back and really make it a prominent trunk or treasure chest that I would find maybe in like my grandma's attic or something. So now I'm just going to finish this, and then I'm going to erase all the pencil lines that I have, and I will have a final product. Okay, and there you see you have beautiful trunk or treasure chest. You can also think about different things that it could be. You could put in some jewels in here, or maybe some necklaces, some different things. This is also, once you know how to do this, you can also do a picnic basket. You can think about a way that you could do that. All right, guys, good job. This was the treasure chest.